Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will help you fix Rockstar Games Error Code 1. Begin by ensuring your internet connection is stable and working properly, perhaps by checking your download speed, which should ideally be above 100 megabits per second. Next, use the game launcher to verify the integrity of your game files, as corruption is a common cause. Finally, a simple full restart of both your computer and the Rockstar Games launcher can often resolve temporary glitches, allowing you to get back into your game. Clearing the launcher's cache is crucial for resolving many issues. Navigate to your local app data folder and delete the Rockstar Games launcher cache folder entirely. Additionally, locate your Documents folder and remove any temporary social club files you find there. These can sometimes become corrupted. After performing both of these steps, remember to restart your game, allowing it to regenerate fresh, uncorrupted files for a smooth experience. Outdated drivers frequently cause unexpected errors, so please update your graphics card drivers to their newest versions from the manufacturer's website. Similarly, ensure your operating system has all pending updates installed, as these often include critical fixes and compatibility improvements for games. Confirming your specific game itself is updated to its most recent patch is also important. Developers constantly release patches that address known issues and enhance stability. Your firewall or antivirus software might be blocking the game's connection to Rockstar's servers, triggering the error. Try adding an exception for the Rockstar Games launcher in your firewall settings to allow its network access. You could also temporarily disable your antivirus software for a few minutes to see if that resolves the problem. Additionally, close any unnecessary background applications. Sometimes other software can interfere with the game's operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.